So we're gonna add stuff in it. But first we're gonna figure out what we're gonna put in it. So this is what this thing is. I feel like it's like satisfying, but like I don't like the because it like doesn't make noise where I can do like ASMRs. I mean, it kind of makes noise, but like not really. But I'm not disrespecting Peachy Babies. Peachy Babies makes really good slime. Yeah, I love it, but like, I don't at the same time. Okay, so we're gonna do something. Okay. First, we're gonna add water. I don't know what that will happen. I heard like the clouds will like turn sticky. And I love sticky slime, so let's add like a bunch. Is this even made with glue in the first place? I'm basically being Peachy Babies and fixing other people's slimes. Come, let's see what else I can add in it. Let's do a little cut test to see what it's like. That's satisfying. It's actually really satisfying. I'll try to add some of my bubbles. Maybe I'll make it moisturizing. Let's add a tiny bit. Okay. I'm only doing a tiny bit of thing just in case it doesn't like turn out good. This actually feels really good. It's better than before. It's like way more stretchier. It's not that cloudy anymore. Yeah, this is actually really good. I like it. Let's add it. Maybe I added a little too much. Okay, that really doesn't do anything very good, but I mean, it's like way more better. I'm gonna add like a little bit more. That wasn't a little bit, that was a lot more, but that's fine, who cares? This is supposed to be a YouTube video, so I'm gonna tag Peachy Babies in it, so. But the thing is, I don't really like cloud slime for my opinion, but I have to get it because I love Peachy Babies. Don't mind my messy hair, I just want it. I'm gonna put this in the container. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, now we're gonna add some of these. I'm really gonna put like, try it again. Like I like to try it before I do it because like you never know how bad it could end. Okay, now it's just turning it really sticky, and that's how I love my slimes. Bro, it's not even cloud slime anymore. This is why I love it now. Okay, this is actually really good now. It's like I'm gonna put this in my slime. That's one because I can just like mix it up now. Is there hair in my slime, bro? Ooh, there's hair. I'm gonna get it up. I'm just gonna do it at one time, like to some pieces at a time because it turned really sticky. Even though if it's on a lot, it still turns really sticky. Yes, this is how you fix hot sun. Take it. Already a 6-minute video, bro. I'm gonna add some more because it's not really sticky anymore. Okay, I think it's about to get sticky. Next piece. I'm sorry, Peachy Babies, I'm doing this to your slime, but I'm just gonna add some soap to this. Oh, for a second I thought it said 88 minutes. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest and I'll be back. Okay, back, and now it's like so good. For some reason, I think I like slime better than squishies. I had a whole collection, but then it just got dried out. I love this. Oh, I thought it said 29 minutes. I might add some more stuff in it though. I'm gonna add some stuff and I'll be back. I just can't stop playing with this. So like, it's so sticky. Okay, so like it's really sticky now, but that's how I like it. Yeah, bestie.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, this is like the best slime ever. Sorry, future baby, I did this to your slime. I love it. No. I might have not have lost the charms. I don't know how that happened, but